Hello, I hope you're doing well. This is my first video in English. This is the only 100% guaranteed method to win the lottery. In Chile, the country where I live, the lottery has 41 numbers to choose from, and out of that total, 6 numbers are selected. So what we will do is a combination of 41 choose 6, and that will give us the total number of tickets we have to play to guarantee winning the lottery. To perform this operation, you can use a scientific calculator. So I enter 41, then press the combination button, and 6. And that result gives us 4,496,388. I'm going to write it here. What does this mean? It means that in order to win the lottery for sure, we would need to play 4,496,388 tickets, and in that case, we would definitely win the lottery. What is the problem with all this? The issue is that the highest prize does not exceed 10 billion Chilean pesos, which is equivalent to $12,500. Therefore, at least in Chile, the method is not profitable.